awesome project with code, and I have a little message for you.
My name is Jasmine. This is my fifth hour class. This is my awesome dog with us. This is the owner. Give me food.
Hi, I'm Clint, and our lesson today was create a presentation about computers. We also had to do our favorite doc, which my virtual zoo was my favorite because I had some normal, purple eagle, and a dog fish. The best fish in the world.
Hello, my name is Joey, and this is a copy of a Zoom game that Mr. Harmon showed us how to make in a tutorial. And I'm going to show you how it works. So when you start the game, the star is going to chase you. Well, this is in my copy anyway. The star is going to chase you, and it's going to make copies of itself. You got to try not to get hit by the stars, or else you'll explode, which I got to code again. But yeah, that's the basics on how the Zoom game works.
My name is Reiner, and I made this working car in fun. Also made this ramp for it that launches the car.
Hi, I'm Clint, and I just made the dragster that we had to make with all the fire, the cage, and I made the steering wheel that he asked us to do right there, and the roll cage, and I made the side say monster, and the tires look really cool. It's just like going round and round and round and round. Thank you.
Hello everybody, it is me, Chumma Chungus over here. And I'm too lazy to put an actual picture up. And today I'm going to do this. That's right, I made a car using the fun thing. With this good stuff, you can make about almost everything you could imagine. But just be careful, because you could break your computer. I made my special Chimmy the Chungus car myself, so let's release the Kraken. Look at that. Totally normal car versus my car.
Hi, my name is Maggie, and I am in Mr. Harmon's computer class. We made some pretty cool stuff, and I made a computer.
Okay, so Mr. Harmon put this while I was going to the bathroom, but it said Mr. Harmon is a genius, and I edited it to Mr. Harmon likes Cookie Monster because he's the best, and he's just the best, and Mr. Harmon is not a genius, so not really so much. Thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Ava from Mr. Harmon's computer class. I made chickens, and this is Billy, and that's his mom. I haven't figured out a name. And then I made a little storybook for them to go to bed.
I'm Micah. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I created a PS4 Pro in Tinkercad. I have the logo on the bottom. I have a disc folder, and then I have the letters on top. So, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe at HLModTech.
Hey guys, it's Adrian, and I'm here in Modtech. We're learning about this thing called Fun, and this is what it does. Check it out. This is completely motorized by me. It doesn't take that long to make it. It's pretty cool.
Wow, that is so cool, Sister Adrian.
Thank you, Sister Addie.
And I just made this jet of a video that he posted about a year ago. And I have the wheels, the little cockpit that they sit in, the back engine jet, and the extra like little missile thingies. I don't know what those are for. I guess for like flight and air stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Hi, this is Eli from Mr. Harmon's 6th grade 5th hour, and we made some little salary, sales, profits, and bonus, where it shows all the things that they made and how much money they made. Subscribe to HLModTech.
This is Michael, and I just finished up this awesome computer. You can see that this part right here is transparent, so you can see inside of the PC. And we have the monitor and the keyboard.
It's Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I have a house.
This is
is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour, and I have a pizza box.
Michael, and I just made this banana, and it's very detailed because it even has that point right there, and I even made the curvature just like a banana.
Welcome back with Tyler and Nick. Right now, Tyler's being dumb.
Oh my God.
Fix it.
I'm Clint, and I basically just made like a little military base with their tanks and the jets that they will fly away with. And
Hey guys, it's Jonathan back at it again with Tinkercan. Today we made a tree house. We have a little piggy there, people, a couch.
This is Joel, and I made a fish tank. We have our treasure chest. If you make the wall transparent, then you can see we have a little igloo that the fish is walking into. We also have ties. We have a devil-like creature with a tail, and we have a devil like that. It also has a trident. And don't forget about who lives there, Bob and Jeff. Thanks for watching, and come back soon.
Ethan in HLModTech, and I have made an awesome fidget spinner. Got my initials on both sides of the thing, the little roofs, and to show you the inside of just how little space there is. Like,
How are you gonna drag it? It's a pretty big stick. You're halfway around the roof. No, I can't throw it. Are you crazy? That thing's like half a tree. Who's faster?